Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we're purchasing on the west bank of Orleans Parish. We're in Algiers. This house has been vacant for a long while. You can probably see already it's gutted. So yeah, look, obviously it's not a house that's ready to be listed. With a realtor for a homeowner, it's a fair bit of work that's needed. It's been in the family for a while and it's just sitting here. And when these houses sit, they generally don't do too well. You'll see over here, it wasn't actually vacant. There's termites. You see termites have been eating, and you'll see various aspects of that throughout the house. So, yeah, the houses don't sit well. Particularly there's no termite treatments happening. Look at this. Is all eaten up, this wood's all down. So, they're munching, they don't pay rent. You can see them all up in here. So yeah, the house, it's actually going down in value. It's, getting harder and harder to save. So, in the meantime, there's taxes. I think they're getting some code violations on this one too. So, more termite activity up in here. So yeah, some fair few different parts of the house. So generally if you're not going to fix the house, you're generally best to do something and move it. At the moment this is costing the owners money in the property taxes, code violations, upkeep, etc., and it's actually losing value. So obviously if they have the capacity to fix it up, then they should do that. That's great. But in this case, they just don't have the time, energy, or money to do that. So it's just sitting here deteriorating. So that's why they reach out to us, because we buy houses like this. We'll come in, we'll put the time, money, energy into fixing it up. We'll bring the neighborhood up, and we'll create the value in this house. So it's a real win-win situation where the owner gets cash for this asset that's sitting here depreciating, and once we've put in the work and effort, then we sell it and we make a profit on that sale. And also the homeowner who buys the house is really happy to get a brand new home. We do also rent them out, so sometimes we fix up for a tenant, which could be the case here. It just depends. It is a bit of a rental area, so that's possible as well. So look guys, if you have a house that's sitting around not doing much, maybe it's got termites, or it's just not creating value for you, reach out to us. We're always happy to help and discuss your situation. Even if we don't end up being your buyer, we're happy just to chat and just give you some thoughts and things to think about. So look, reach out to us at homebuyerlouisiana.com. We'd love to chat to you. Thanks so much guys.